story is Nusa Tenggara, operated as entity, is a province in Indonesia which covers the eastern part of the Nusa Tenggara Island. The province has a capital city in Kupang and has 22 districts. The province is located in Lesser Sunda. After expansion, East Nusa Tenggara is a province in Indonesia located in the southeastern part of Indonesia. This province consists of several islands, including Flores Island, Sumba Island, Timur Island, Adunara Island, Solor Island, Komodo Island, and Palue Island. This province consists of approximately 550 islands. Their main islands in East Nusa Tenggara are Flores Island, Sumba Island, and West Timor Island, actually called Timor. 1. Meaning of symbol. In the seal, there are stars, dragon, rice, and cotton, spear, and banyan trees. The star symbolizes the majesty of God Almighty. The Komodo dragon is the only prehistoric reptile that is still preserved today. This is ancient animal is a giant reptile that is declared protected by the world because this type of animal is only found in East Nusa Tenggara. To be precise, on the island of Komodo, many tourists from all over the world come to this island just to see dragon, rice, cotton symbolizes prosperity. The spear symbolizes majesty and glory. The banyan tree symbolizes the unity and integrity that is maintained. The date of the formation of the province of East Nusa Tenggara is represented by the amount of rice and 1958 is directly printed on the bottom corner of the symbol. 2. History. The stretch of the archipelago which is located between 8 to 12 south latitude and 118 to 125 is located has a special meaning for the lives of many people. The Island group is called by various names among others Lesser Sunda, Nusa Tenggara, East Nusa Tenggara, and also Flobamora. This designation can also mean that there are many ethnic groups in the area, but it has one of commonality, namely that they are united as entity people. Long before the name entity was spread, this group of the island in the south of the archipelago attracted the world attention. The fragrance of sandalwood from Timor has penetrated the Middle East, China, and Europa, and various parts of the air. The strength of the sandalwood aroma makes traders from Malacca, Gujarat, Java, and Makassar. China undertakes commercial shipping to reach to sandalwood source area on the Mediterranean trade contact with the King of Timor and the Subrodin Island, the territorial owners and the leaders of the people. Historical record from China, Dausi manuscript, since 1350, the San dynasty was familiar with Timor and the surrounding island, and one of the famous ports in Timor is Batumean Tuan Am, which was visited by ships from Makassar, Malacca, Java, China, and the Europa such as Spain, Britain, Portugal, the Netherlands. In 1510, Goa, India was controlled by the Portuguese. They continued their expansion by controlling Malacca. In 1500 511, Malacca was made the center of trade and regional power of the archipelago after the Portuguese managed to reach Maluku. Solor flourished in 1511. Ferdinand Magellan's fleet with two ships stopped at Alor and Kupang, Timor Island. During the crossing to the Pukupaku Strait, the two ships were hit by a storm. One of the ships was destroyed and sunk. The giant anchor of one of these ships can still be found on the beach of Rote. Another one managed to escape the raging swahus and then continue on to Sabu, then to the Cape of Good Hope, and then back to Spain. When the Dutch, with their VOC, gripped the archipelago in 1514, they placed Miven van den Broek in Kupang and Rote, the first Christian there. This is also meant that although the VOC was still young, established in 1560, the Training Association had located its office fortress staff in Timor and surrounding Island, and with that we need a pastor spiritual nurturer during the VOC era 1600 to 1719 and even up to 1900. Not many historical records became public knowledge, and that sometimes can be an additional knowledge for the people of NTT. The Netherlands at that time was still controlled by the people government of the French Empire under Napoleon. This situation was asked by Britannia to expand its colony by seizing Dutch colonies. The British fleet disrupted Dutch territory so that in 1799 almost all of Indonesia, especially Java, Palembang, Banjarmasin, and Timor, fell under British rule. Two British ships entered the port of Kupang on 10 June 1797, but were repelled by Griffin who directed them to Mardinshire when the VOC was dissolved in 1799. All of Indonesia's rights and obligations were taken over by the Dutch government. This transition did not bring any change because at that time the Netherlands was facing a war waged by a neighboring country. In the colonial era until 1942, the people of NTT had to be defeated according to the wishes of the Dutch in the form of Raja, Swapraja, Petoran, and so on, and then became a guarded area under the resident administration. When Japan came to power in the archipelago, the strategic NTT region was reorganized as a defense base. The government administration arrangement has barely changed, only changed in terms. When the proclamation of Indonesia independence 17 August 1945, NTT as of the Dutch colony archipelago was free from colonial grip. Power because of the Dutch desire to remain in power in the archipelago, including NTT, they made various offers to remain on the land of NTT. This situation raised the spirit of nationalism, freedom to independence of NTT in the people of NTT. This unyielding spirit gave birth to the East Nusa state government and the NTT autonomous government. It can decide that NTT government and that entity autonomous government it can be said that entity status was almost the same as that of Yogyakarta at that time, which declared itself loyal to Soekarno-Hatta. The persistent struggle of the people of NTT did not stop, nor did it ever arise in the talk of letting go of the wholly independent RI. There is a spirit of Indonesia, unity in the soul and blood of Koroh Iha, Doko Teha, Ahmad Pastor Gabriel Manak, Dortrans Aroties, Amalo so that NTT is not under colonial. It's not under colonial rule but becomes part of RI when Indonesia was still not standing tall. NTT became part of the administrative province with the name Lesser Sunda Province. The name Sunda Kecil was later replaced by the name Nusa Tenggara based on government regulation no 21 of 1920. Not long after that, in 1957, law no 1957 concerning the particularity of regional government and by law no 64 year 1958, so that the province of Nusa Tenggara was divided into their level 1 swastara regions, namely Bali, West Nusa Tenggara and East Nusa Tenggara. Since December 20, 1958, the island of Flores, Sumba, Timur, and their surrounding island became part of the province. 3. Population. The total population in Indonesia, this is province, 4,600,000 the total population in this province is 4,683,827 people with a population growth rate of 2.07. The total male population 2,326,487 and the female population is 2,357,340. The population density in East Nusa Tenggara is 96 people with a percent of the population living in urban area of approximately 20% and the remain 80% living in rural areas according to data from the UAS, the East Nusa Tenggara BPS in 2020. Most of the population is Christian, namely 91.51%, with the total of the percent of Catholic is 52.48%, then Protestant 39.03%. The number of followers of Islam is 8.28%, then Hindus are 0.20% and Buddhists are 0.01%. The second school enrollment rate is 39%, which is way below the Indonesia average of 80.49% in 2003. According to UNESCO, drink in the form of clear water, sanitation of lack of health facility, case malnutrition 32% and infant mortality 71 per 1,000 are also great greater than most other Indonesia province. 4. Economy. According to various economic standard, the economy in the province is lower than the Indonesia average with high inflation 15%, unemployment 20%, and interest rate 22 to 24%. 5. Islam. Likewise, Nusa Tenggara is a province dominated by Islam. The main Islam in this region are Flores Islam, Sumba Islam, and West Timor Islam. This group of Islam is often abbreviated as Floba Mora, while other Islam include the Islam of Adonara Alor, Babi, Besar, Bidadari, Dana, Komodo, Rinca, Lomlen, Loren, Ndao, Palue, Pamana, Besar, Pantar, Rusa, Rejua, Rote, the Southern Islam Indonesia, Safu, Semau, and Solor. 6. Tourists. 1. Komodo, the largest lizard species in the world. 2. Kalimutu Lake. 3. Bondokodi Sumba traditional host. 4. Komodo Island with the Komodo dragon. 5. Kalimutu Lake in Flores. 3. Crest Lake with different color. 6. Montes in Patumnasi district, the highest point in the province and known as a hiking and bear watching area. 7. Semana Santa in Larantuka. 8. Traditional house and Pasola in the island of Sumba. 9. Alor Island, the west. 10. Nebrella Beach in Rotendao. 11. Pin Beach on Padar Island. 12. Traditional house in Bena, Village, Bajawa Ngada, Regency. 13. 17 Island, Tourist Park in Riun, Ngada, Regency. 14. Menggeruda Soa Hot Spring Tourist Park, Bajawa Ngada, Regency. 15. Kalaba Maja in Sabu, Rejua. 16. Wall hunting traditional in Lembata. 17. Werebo traditional house in Manggarai. 18. Bena traditional village in Bajawa. Thank you so much.